forget the limp lettuce this summer. This salad is bold, vibrant and made up of some great store cupboard staples. It's quick, delicious and makes a perfect grab-and-go lunch. Finely slice 1 red onion. Add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and a pinch of salt. Rub the salt into the onion and set aside to lightly pickle. Drain, rinse and slice a 400-gram tin of artichoke hearts in water, then tip them into a large bowl with 2 tins of drained and rinsed cannellini beans. Add 3 tins of drained tuna in spring water, 300 grams of halved cherry tomatoes and 140 grams of rocket. Add the onion and pickling juices and mix everything together, breaking up the tuna as you go. Season and serve with lemon wedges.